Sorry my homies are left this side. Do you ever think of suicide? Fuck with this pain.
Yo, what's going on guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Harry here. So today we are gonna be talking about how you can make your own custom thumbnail for your YouTube videos for free of cost without wasting any money on the expensive apps such as Photoshop and stuff. So without wasting any time, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the site we're gonna be looking at is called Photopea. It is pretty much similar to the Photoshop. So let's make a project, so show you how you can make your own. So let's create one. Alright, and then we're gonna just open and place.
Sorry my homies are left this side. Do you ever think of suicide? Fuck with this pain you can see in my eyes. You fucking around, you gon' pay with your life.
FNBR code to get some cosmetics. I'm actually looking for the epic skins. So yeah, here we go. There are the soccer ones, there are the gold trooper. Let's just make this.
All of these demons that dancing inside. I don't know whether to live or to die, but I keep fighting that feeling inside. I'm gonna ride till I die. Sorry my homies are left this side. Do you ever think of suicide?
And place. Right here. I wanted to enlarge that. I just fucked up that. Sorry.
All girls are the same.
Okay, so
I don't love you.
add
Girls
text.
are the same. I don't need you now. All girls are the same. All of these demons that dance inside. I don't know whether to live or to die, but I keep fighting that feeling inside. I'm gonna ride till I die. Sorry my homies are left this side. Do you ever think of suicide? Fuck with this pain you can see in my eyes. You fucking around, you gon' pay with your life. Valentine in December. You say you love me, but you don't remember. My name, you cause me pain. All girls are the same. I don't
And then
love
we add
you
a
now.
square.
All girls are the
Like no. I just fricked up.
same. All of these demons that dancing inside. I don't know whether to live or to die, but I keep fighting that feeling inside. I'm gonna ride till I die. Sorry my homies are left this side. Do you ever think of suicide? Fuck with this pain you can see in my eyes. You fucking around, you gon' pay with your life. Same. All of these demons that dancing inside. I don't know whether to live or to die, but I keep fighting that feeling inside. I'm gonna ride till I die. Sorry my homies are left this side. Do you ever think of suicide? Fuck with this pain you can see in my eyes. You fucking around, you gon' pay with your life.
And if you wanna add some effects, we can add that too.
That dancing inside. I don't know whether to live or to die, but I keep fighting that feeling inside. I'm gonna ride till I die. Sorry my homies are left this side. Do you ever think of suicide? Fuck with this pain you can see in my eyes. You fucking around, you gon' pay with your life. All of these demons, they're dancing inside. I don't know whether to live or to die, but I keep fighting that feeling inside.
Alright.
I'm gonna ride till I die. Sorry my homies are left this side. Do you ever think of suicide? Fuck with this pain you can see in my eyes. You fucking around, you gon' pay with your life. All of these demons, they're dancing inside. I don't know whether to live or to die, but I keep fighting that feeling inside. I'm gonna ride till I die. Sorry my homies are left this side. Do you ever think of suicide? Fuck with this pain you can see in my eyes. You fucking around, you gon' pay with your life.
That's cool. We can add some effects to this area, the skin area.
They're dancing inside. I don't know whether to live or to die, but I keep fighting that feeling inside. I'm gonna ride till I die. Sorry my homies are left this side. Do you ever think of suicide? Fuck with this pain you can see in my eyes. You fucking around, you gon' pay with your life. All of these demons, they're dancing inside. I don't know whether to live or to die, but I keep fighting that feeling inside. I'm gonna ride till I die. Sorry my homies are left this side. Do you ever think of suicide? Fuck with this pain you can see in my eyes. You fucking around, you gon' pay with your life. All of these demons, they're dancing inside. I don't know whether to live or to die, but I keep fighting that feeling inside. I'm gonna ride till I die. Sorry my homies are left this side. Do you ever think of suicide? Fuck with this pain you can see in my eyes. You fucking around, you gon' pay with your life. All of these demons, they're dancing inside. I don't know whether to live or to die, but I keep fighting that feeling inside. I'm gonna ride till I die. Sorry my homies are left this side. Do you ever think of suicide? Fuck with this pain you can see in my eyes. You fucking around, you gon' pay
So
with
we
your
have our thumbnail
life.
ready. So yeah, pretty much this is the way how you can make your own custom thumbnails for free with PNG tree. That's really awesome site. Be sure to check it from the link in the description, and hope you liked the video. If you did, like and subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.
Think of suicide. Fuck with this pain you can see in my eyes. You fucking around, you gon' pay with your life. All of these demons, they're dancing inside. I don't know whether to live or to die, but I keep fighting that feeling inside. I'm gonna ride till I die. Sorry my homies are left